Okay, now I'm gonna take my lip kit shade in the shade Siren. Again, I'm just gonna line my Cupid's bow. And the thing I like about the shade Siren is like really that salmon, nude pink. And see, my lips are perfect and full, and so it's just gonna allow me not to have any like bleeding. And that's just with one dip. It allowed me to have one full application with this product. And this is like a real nude salmon lip color. Allows your lips to look full, plump, lustrous, and kissable, of course. And so this is the shade Siren, excuse me. It's in the shade Siren. It's that nude, daytime, fresh pink.